Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be turning the store that I did into a NeeDoh store. Okay, yes, I might seem crazy, but let's just start clearing this up, shall we? And this is going to be the NeeDoh store. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we need like a little table. I don't know. Put this here. Let's get the lights. We're definitely going to put so much cute stuff, right? As you guys can see, I just got the little new Paws Daycare. But yeah, where can I find that one thing? My lord. I think it's here. Nope. Is it here? Yes. Okay, so we're going to put this. It's going to look all cutesy and stuff. Okay. The logo here. Put another one of these to finish it. Finishing touch of the smooth day. So put a little cute picture. A little bee. Okay, trust me, this is gonna turn out really good. Now I need to start getting the shelves. Hold on. Okay, I just got an idea. This is gonna be the registration table. Okay. Need a chair. Do we need a chair? Nah, we don't need a chair. Okay. All we need is this. I really don't know where to get like the little payment thing. Okay. So, I need to get the shelves. Yeah, we definitely do need shelves. Okay, we're gonna be selling some slime over here. The squishies will be here. Can I change the floor pattern? Well, I sure can. Oh my god. What is this thing doing? I know I can't use it on the wall, like if I was... Okay. Wait, is it still on? No, the floor tiles. Yes. Hold on, guys. Let's just not change the floor tiles. How about that? That'll be so much great idea. Okay, now. I'm actually pretty smart. Watch this. I get the slimes from the little Paws Daycare. Okay, I'll put some more here too. Okay. What can I do for squishies? Hey, I can do like vegetable squishies. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Let's see over here. Do an apple squishy, carrot squishy, lettuce. What else can I do? Really thinking what I could do. Oh wait, never mind. There it is. I can use that. Let me go look at the pet store because that's like one of the tips that it gave me to look for squishies. And I took some for some of my characters, so let's see if I can find some. What can I use from here? Give me a bag. I can use some bones, right? Yeah, I can do some bones. Give you this. Okay. Let's see the cedar. You know how there's donut squishies? No, hold on. Could do the donuts. Let's see here. Could do some gummy bears because there is gummy bear NeeDohs. Any extra thing? Oh man. Where can I get a bag? Okay, it's working. Let me unpackage it. Okay, yeah. Yes, it's really gonna work. Now we're gonna go to the sea shop. Oh look, we found some jellyfish. Okay, where can I put them? Thinking I can put them here. Let's just skip them to someone random. Let's see here. Okay, don't mind that. Yeah. Ooh, wait, this. Yeah, it could work. Let's try to see sea life. Nope. Nothing here. Let me check here. Yeah. Let me go to my house real quick because I have like some NeeDohs at my house. Where is it? I think they're in, I'm pretty sure this floor. Boy. Okay, here you go. Sorry, my mom was talking to me. I can use this bag. Can give away these 3. One of these. 2 of these, actually. Yeah. Then give them to the lady, I guess. I have to go back to the shop and okay. Get the items we just got. You can take that with you. You know, take this with me. This and this. Okay. Anything else I have? Nope. Okay. Got a shell. 2 jelly squish. Oh, my bad. 3 nice cubes. Swirl ones. Gummy bears. Donuts. And little bones. Okay, we just made these our own NeeDoh shop. Now we need to put in some baskets so people can grab stuff. Yeah, some of these. Just line them up. Let's put a little carpet. Okay. Now I just need to grab my pixel art. Oh, frick. No. Just throw this away. Okay. Now we can do without pixel. But Excel gives me the pixel art. here. Welcome to my NeeDoh store, I guess, but